All right, so we got a text earlier from Matt's Off-Road Recovery. We got a job up in American Fork Canyon. It's right in our backyard, so we're gonna head up and take a look at it. It looks like a Toyota Tacoma. He said he was going up in the snow and he hit a snow drift and just got buried. He said he's not hanging off the cliff, but he didn't have any pictures. So we have not put eyes on it. We don't know the situation, but he did start sliding towards the edge.
So we're bringing both Landcruisers. They both got good winches. No matter what it is, we'd be able to drag it up on the road, even if it is hanging off the side. So we're well equipped for whatever we run into, and we'll see what it looks like when we get there.
Winches.
That's what I said.
Not wenches. Winches.
Sometimes wenches are funner.
Yeah, but we didn't bring those. We brought the winches.
Brocavino.
Oh.
All right, we just got into American Fork Canyon. And how far up is it?
Do you know where the 085 is?
No.
Do you know where Mineral Basin is?
No.
Do you know where Forest Lake is?
No.
Do you know where Graveyard Flats is?
No.
It's about 10.5 miles that way.
Why didn't you just start off with that? That's way easier.
Well,
so 10.5 miles of this.
It's going to turn into a dirt road after about 2.5 miles from here. And then it's going to get bumpy and a bunch of switchbacks, and I just thought landmarks would be easier.
You never take me to the canyon, so I don't know.
Take you anywhere you want, Lunchbox.
All right.
You just got to dress nice.
Just dress nice.
Oh, there he is.
Shut your down too much because
Yeah. He's yeah, he's hanging right on the edge there. We're probably gonna have to winch that back up on the road.
You want to go up past, just use the 2 winches, or try to snatch block it?
Well, I was thinking probably going past and turning around and then using both winches.
And snatch blocking one off of a tree to the rear, one off of the tree up ahead to the front, and just drag it sideways back up on.
Okay, I'll get up, I'll get ready while you're turning around. Hey, hey, mom, I'm gonna make you move. Gonna make you sweat, gonna make you move. It's good.
Does this one have brakes?
Yeah.
Does this one have gas? Got battery.
Full tank.
Nice.
And it has a full battery.
Oh, and a full battery. That's the good part too.
Way ahead of the last one. Did you lock it?
Probably.
Did you lock it there?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you go out?
Oh, I already unlocked it.
There's a little hook there and a bigger hook there.
Let's go to the big one. That tree broke. We can pull it out.
I got it.
You're close, a lot closer to yours, so I would turn driver.
I'm really not. I think it's going to be better, and I'll just go back and forth. But it won't go into low yet.
Do you have your remote with you?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm pulling till I'm sliding. Okay, turn drivers and come forward. There we go. That's working. Will it go into low yet?
Yeah, well, no, but it's in four-wheel drive, so. Is that far enough off the road?
Just a little bit more and you'll be in the high ruts. Yeah, that's good. Should be able to back up there now.
I can't hear anything you're saying.
Up there.
Say you can probably back up now.
Yeah, his tire was off.
Why can't they all be that easy?
Oh, we've got quite a few that are that easy. It's just,
Not the ones I'm on.
well, you're just lucky, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, do we want to try and back up and turn around over there? Or go forward and turn around up there? It levels off more right here. Might be better to back up.
I'm pretty comfortable with pulling it forward, backing it into right here and pulling out.
Yeah,
It might. It just, up here it's slanted, and that's why he slid off, and it might do it again.
Well, let's just see how far we can go forward.
I'll back up adequate
You wanna
speed
back
and
me
see
up?
how it's going.
Turn mine around. Unless Dad wants to.
Now we just got to turn Caleb's around. Do you want to go? Well, he's filming that, so we'll go back and get in the Landcruiser and then start coming back down.
I'm just gonna do it right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you're gonna go around one?
No.
You want me to move?
Yes.
Where to?
Anywhere but where you are.
What if I move here? Okay, I'll get out of the way.
Whoa, wait.
Why is it open? Because I got out.
It just flew open. This one's aired down, it's probably more comfortable.
All right, I'm hopping in with your dad.
On a scale of 10, 1 to 10, how cool did that look?
It would have been cooler if I got on the other side like I wanted.
I'd say about a 10.
What do you think, Phil? Was that a good one?
Yeah,
Yeah, his
it
rims
was
might be
kind
a
of
little
easy the way
light
the
for
boys
Kenny.
did it.
There's a lot of ice in and slush in with the mud. Makes it look like mud clots floating around. Cool. The customer stopped at just the right time. The truck had started to slide down and it was right on the edge, and luckily they stopped there and came out. But
It did look like this front tire was actually over the edge a little bit,
Yeah.
but it was on top of where a culvert goes through.
so it was still fairly stable.
Yeah.
So there was plenty of room. I got around him really easy, got turned around. We just hooked one winch to the rear, one to the front, drug him sideways, back up onto the road, and Caleb backed it out, turned it around, we drove it out. It was pretty slick, went fast, and worked well.
We got back down to Tibble Fork and we aired up the 2 Landcruisers and we aired up his tires. He was down around 17, 16. So we aired up his tires back up to highway pressure. Now we're gonna go deliver it.
Nice, quick, easy one. Thanks, Matt, for sending them our way.
Send us as many as you want. We are happy to take care of it.
Yeah,
It's not even too bad. It's just a little after midnight.
yeah, not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
Especially nice when they have gas and brakes
Oh yeah,
and they're not dead.
and it can drive out.
And the heater works.
on
I
its
know,
own
yeah.
power, yeah.
Well, I wasn't in this one, so that's good.
Yeah, that makes for a pretty easy one.
Thanks for watching.